I don't know exactly why, but I noticed that usually when I'm starting my videos, I'm so serious, almost like sad. So, yay, hello, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So maybe this is how I will have to start my videos. But this is also not me, so I don't want to look like fake. You know what I mean? Probably I'm more focused to not say something wrong, so that's why I'm so serious. Come on, let's be serious now. Following my previous non-edited video, which surprisingly had a lot of success, more than I anticipated, I decided also this video will have slight editing because I need to add some more information, but I am trying to keep it as much as possible non-edited because it will also save more time for me. So, if you haven't noticed by the title of this video, as my friend Jackie Natural say on her videos, today we are going to unbox another beauty box, and actually we are experiencing a returning of a very popular subscription here on my channel. So welcome back to Love Lula! I decided to take a break last month and now I purchased another 3 months subscription. So if you don't know what is Love Lula, they are a huge online shop and they are oriented on selling natural cosmetics, makeup and face, body, hair care, any type of natural cosmetics that can exist for you. So they also have a beauty subscription. The price for the box, if you are in UK, it is retailing for £15 per month or £14.95 if I recall well. And also you don't pay for shipping, but if you are international, you cannot take a monthly subscription. You can only take 3, 6 or 12 months subscription. So I got another 3 month subscription and I paid around £52 and a few pennies. So this is coming all the way from UK. All the prices that you will hear about are on British pounds. And if you want to learn more information about this beauty box, you can find everything on my description box. As I always do, I put that information. And also please let me know if you are reading my description box, because sometimes I'm working and building that box, description box. So just let me know if I should continue or not, or if you prefer to give me more information while I'm filming. But I try to save more time also for you and for editing, so that's why I'm building my description box, especially for beauty subscriptions where there are repeating information. So if you are not subscribed to my channel and you enjoy what you see, please consider yourself subscribed. I also have a Instagram account, so if you want to follow me there, I'll have the information down below on the description box as well as here on the screen. So let's go ahead and see what we have inside. So this is how the packaging arrives. I believe this is a fully recyclable packaging, so this is nothing fancy. I just ripped my address out of the label. So you have here the Love Lula and it's a normal paper box. So let's open it up. I just sterilized the outside of packaging, but I didn't check what inside, so we will discover together. And I have a very good and reliable friend with me here just to help me sanitize my hands if by any means I will feel the need to scratch my nose or my eyes, which is usually happening when I don't want to do that. Inside we have a leaflet, and here we have written Love Lula August 2020. So yeah, if I didn't mention, this is the Love Lula August 2020. And here on the back, as every month, they give you a 20% off discount of the brands that are on this box. And the code is valid until September 10. I will also have it linked down below. Inside you have a lot of paper worms, and underneath them there are the goodies. Okay, so usually Love Lula gives you 4 full-size products. From time to time they might sneak a travel size or deluxe size samples, or a sample, sorry, but usually they are giving you full size products. So first product, I cannot believe I just purchased an SPF and now I'm getting another one, and this is from Madara. So this is Madara SPF 30 plant stem cell age defining sunscreen with SPF 30. It is for all skin types, no white residue, broad spectrum UVA and UVB, and I believe this contains a natural SPF, zinc oxide. That's true. Okay, I will not try it right now because I do not lie to you. I just purchased another SPF from Space NK. Stay tuned because I'll have a huge haul from Space NK, from Beauty Bay and some other shops. But yeah, I just purchased another SPF 50, which I prefer to use it during summer. So probably the Madara will be used during winter. I believe this is not a full size because it is quite small. Yeah, we have here 10 ml, so this is not a full size. Let's see if we have more information here on the box. Madara plant stem cell age defining sunscreen SPF 30. Certified natural ingredients meet cellular biology to create this breakthrough daily sunscreen that provides high-level protection with an invisible, flawless nude skin finish. Okay, so this will be great for travel because you have only 10 ml. So if we will travel anytime soon, it will be my trustful friend. So I'm chuffed to have that with me. I'm all the time happy if I'm getting SPF, especially if it is natural one. Okay, the next product, it is for facial self tanner. Is by the brand Laid Bare. I've never heard about this brand. Glow Laid Bare facial self tanner. Get your glow back with the Glow Laid Bare, a self tan for a naturally sun-kissed and radiant complexion. This is how it looks like. And they say here, best apply at night to wake up with your tan ready face to the day. Apply over clean skin to the face, neck and décolletage. Right up to the hairline, cover the ears and back of your neck. Wash hands thoroughly and allow to dry. So it's white. It has a nice pleasant scent. I used to have one from Vita Liberata, but it was smelling terribly, so I like it how it was performing, but I couldn't stand the smell. So this it actually smells nice and really natural. It has some citrusy smell. Okay, if you hear some noise, this is my son that is arguing with my husband because probably he wants the remote for the TV, so just FYI. So this is the second product. The third product is a nice bottle, and is by brand Foam London. Antipollution face cleansing cream. What do they say about this? This hydrating anti-pollution rinse-off cleanser removes pollutants, dead skin cells and makeup, leaving skin cleansed, balanced and hydrated. And we don't have some other information excepting the ingredients. So this is probably a deluxe travel size. It has 30 ml, and this is your natural cleanser. We have only one more product left, and this is by Inika Organics. Certified Organic Pure Perfection Primer. Ooh, a primer. I never had a product from Inika, I think. I just had a sample, but I didn't use it. Some face cream. So this Inika Pure Perfection Primer, apply before foundation or wear it on its own. This nutrient-rich vegan certified organic primer is enriched with clinically proven active kangaroo paw extract, hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil and other skin caring ingredients to help boost hydration into the skin, creating a appearance creating the appearance of firmer, smoother skin. Yeah, so here, if I haven't told you before, the total value of the box, it is 70 pounds. So I'll try to search on their website and give you the price, either for the products if they are full size, or I will give you the price for the full size on the travel size. And it's coming with a pump, which is actually nice. Ooh, so it's a white, it's like a cream. So maybe it can be also used instead of daily face cream. Maybe I will use it like this, but it's really rich. So I assume it will be much better for your cooler months. Okay, this also smells citrusy. This is the last product from the August Love Lula beauty box, a Inika Primer. Okay, so just to recap what we've got here, we got a Inika face primer, a Madara SPF 30 UVA UVB, a daily face cleanser by the brand FOM, and a Laid Bare natural self tanner, facial self tanner. So those are all the products for this Love Lula August month. Personally, I'm really satisfied with what I got on this box. There are products that I will definitely use. All of them are good for me and I will find them a good use. So this is all for today. Please let me know in your comments down below if you are considering to take this box, if this is a box that is fulfilling your fantasy. Don't forget they ship worldwide and they have a good price for the box. So I paid like 17 pounds per month because I paid 3 months. If I made the corresponding price per month, I think it's around 17-18 pounds, which in US dollars it's somewhere around $25. It's not bad. Let me know what you think about this box, and if you have tried some of those products, please share with me what are your thoughts about them. I would like to subscribe if you enjoy what you see and you want to continue receiving information about my uploads. You also have there a bell that you can click and you will be notified when I upload a new video. I don't have a strict schedule. I upload 2 to 3 times a week, depending when I have the time to film and edit. But other than that, you can also follow me on my Insta. I will have all the information down below. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch. I wish you all to have a great, blessed day, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video.